You're not supportive. Hey guys, so terrible YouTuber, but I'm back from Halloween party I went to, and I was Morticia Addams from the Addams Family, and my best friend was the daughter, Wednesday Addams. So I want to show you guys my outfit. So this is my usual wig. I just parted it in the center and straightened it. It didn't stay straight very long, but the mom has like wavy-ish hair sometimes, so it worked. Then I did my makeup. She wears red lips and like kind of a smoky eye or no eye, so I did the smoky eye. And then this dress is from Forever 21. I've had it forever. I don't wear it very often because your body has to look really like in good condition, and right now I don't really look like that. So I was like sucking in the whole time, but I went crazy on the food, so oh, I don't look that bad. Oh, it's not that bad. But my sides used to be flat, so now I'm kind of self-conscious. But anyways, thought you guys should see my outfit since I did a terrible job at vlogging. I'm so blurry. Hey guys, so we're out having lunch and I'm being awkward with this tripod, and we're at like one of the best Mexican spots in Athens, if I do say so. It's very shady location. It's so good. Oh, it's hot today. Yes. Hey guys, so I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm not gonna talk because obviously I can't successfully do it when I talk, so here's the montage. Alright, I look crazy, I look ashy. Ooh, your girl looks ashy. All right, I'm gonna do my eyebrows and then sit for a while because I don't have to be where I am for the next like 45 minutes, so I'll start back again soon. And my camera's flashing. Makeup is done. Red look. I need to go. Hey guys, so I just finished with my cousins eating, and I couldn't show you my look before I left really because I was in a hurry, but I'm wearing my Lord shirt and some leather leggings, these cute socks with a heart on the side I got from Shein. Let me show you these shoes I wore. Oh, it's so nice and cozy in my house right now. Yeah, but that's what I wore. Let me go now before my boyfriend hangs up on me. Ooh, nice. Wow. You're so humble. Is it arm day? Ooh.